One for you, one for your customer. Redesign your checkout experience with the all-new Payanywhere Smart PINPad Pro. The Smart PINPad Pro is a versatile combination of the PAX A80 and SP30 that allows your customers to safely and effortlessly pay for their purchases on a customer-facing device. The versatility of the Smart PINPad Pro also gives you the option to use the A80 as a standalone terminal if you prefer to accept payments from one device. The Smart PINPad Pro's merchant-facing terminal comes equipped with a 4-inch touchscreen with Android software, EMV chip card, NFC contactless and magstripe readers, PIN debit, receipt printer, Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, and the feature-rich Payanywhere app. The customer-facing device includes a 2.4-inch display, EMV chip card, NFC contactless and magstripe readers, and a PIN pad for PIN debit transactions. Perfect for social distancing, the Payanywhere Smart PINPad Pro is the latest and greatest in payment acceptance.